Dear compatriots, France is at a moment of choice, and in a few days your vote can change everything. On Sunday, July 7th, you will elect a majority for France and choose a new government for the country.
Un nouveau gouvernement pour le pays.
After the unprecedented and historic victory of our movement in the European elections, you now have the power to lead our ideas at the head of the country. You must therefore remain mobilized and turn this hope into reality. A different policy is possible, and it's you who will decide.
Qui allait en décider.
If the National Rally wins these elections, I will become Prime Minister. And I will be responsible for forming the government. A government of national unity.
National.
This means that in a few days, within the framework of cohabitation, we could take immediate action for France and the French people. As Prime Minister, I'll be working in two phases. The first phase will focus on urgent issues, such as purchasing power, with lower energy bills in particular, taking our immigration policy back in hand, and re-establishing law and order everywhere, through a renewed focus on security and criminal law.
Pénal. Ce sont vos priorités.
These are your priorities, but they are also mine.
Vous permettent de
To help you understand the real state of our public accounts, we will be taking stock of the country's financial and budgetary situation.
bilan de l'état financier et budgétaire du pays.
The second phase will be one of reform. The return of authority, the recovery of our public services such as schools and healthcare,
Système de retraite.
the implementation of a fairer retirement system as we have committed to do, to enable those who started working very early to retire in good health, the simplification of the economy and support for growth. Rediscover our French pride and turn the page on Macronism and reconnect with hope. It's finally possible if you go out and vote.
Votez.
Faced with the peril of the extreme left, which attacks the force of order, who abuse our institutions, who fan the embers of a new anti-Semitism, whose economic program would plunge France into the abyss.
Économique plongerait la France dans l'abîme.
I have decided to reach out to all the patriotic and Republican forces in the country. To all French people, wherever you come from, whatever your past political choice, whatever your origin, let's get together. To abstain is to vote Mélenchon. To abstain is to strengthen Macron. So don't be intimidated by those who seek to frighten you, by caricatures, by lies. On June 30th and July 7th, the future awaits us. History is watching us. Be free, be French, and remember one thing. When the people vote, the people win.
If you liked the video, please like and subscribe to spread more awareness. Share your thoughts in the comments below and join the conversation. Your engagement helps us bring more content to light. Remember, stay informed, stay engaged.